afternoon, everyone. It's JT Ippolito from Tableau 2019. We're at the Salesforce booth where you can have your picture taken with the bear or the trailhead person. We just had our picture taken on the other side. So let's see what else we can show you over here.
They were asking
Again, mostly vendors that have systems that run on, and they have mini golf and they have everything. Oh, there's a cartoon that they're playing for Salesforce. You should check that out. Salesforce always has the best. Oh, I get it. There is 18 holes on golf. I get a chance to win a little 9-bot. Let's see what, if anything, we can show you. In case you get tired, you have a little tent. Data wanna. That's funny. What else can I show you? Does your data have a plan? Where is it stored? What's going on? Snowflake, warehouse in the cloud. They're in the Gartner quadrant, upper right.
And so, let me speak.
Oh, this one's cool. It's a lunar lander.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect all the users.
That's kind of cool.
Whether they're APIs,
Let's see if we give you a far away shot. And we're moving, and we got it. There's your far away shot. We'll talk to some of these if we can get in there. You have to watch them. They are a great company, something you want to watch out. DENODO is real-time integration. So that's the company that you want to use for ROI in under 3 months and reduces the integration cost and actual cost by up to 80%. So I'm going to sign off from Tableau 2019. Back to you in the studio. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network.